Hi everyone, so I'm back to share with you another digital kit that I've put together, and this will be available in my shop and the link for that will be below. This is called Pink Blush, and you'll get 10 sheets with this kit, and you get 5 full-size journal pages, 2 pocket pages with 6 pockets in total, 2 tag pages which have jumbo tags and a total of 6 of them, and then you get 1 page which has 4 journal cards in them, so a total of 21 items in the kit. And like I said, this will be listed in my shop, so I'm going to just do a quick flip through of this. It's Mother's Day here in the UK, so a happy Mother's Day to everybody. I hope you're having a lovely day. I know it's a little bit difficult at the moment because, you know, we can't, you know, go around and see our family and spend time with them. So I just hope you're having a lovely day. So this is one of the pages. There is a lot of white in this as well, so it's kind of like pink and white and florals. So I'm going to be playing with this tomorrow hopefully and come up with the journal. Let me move that out of the way. So that's one of the pages. There's another page and another page. They are all like roses and flowers, and and it is quite a soft, you know, soft colours. The flowers are set back into, like, you know, behind the script and things like that that's on there. And this one is just like a, you know, there's no florals on this one, but this is it's just got all the script and things on there. Then we have 2 pocket pages. This one has got the florals on it, and this one has just got like the script on it, which you could decorate up yourself or keep it as it is. And then we have the tags, and as I say, they're jumbo tags, and another one there, so that's 2 of them. And then finally the journal cards, which, I mean, you can shrink all these down. They're coming in a PDF. You can shrink them down. You could layer your tags up as well, you know, shrink them down to about 75-80% and then put them on top of another tag. Yeah, there's, you know, the options are endless when you're doing this kind of stuff. So there we have it. Another little kit. I'm really enjoying this. I've still got a lot to learn with Photoshop, but I'm learning slowly and I am having fun doing it. So like I said, the link for this will be below. It's called Pink Blush Journal Kit. If you have any questions about it, just ask, and thank you for watching. Bye.